honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. I'll be reviewing this cutie here. It's Rex by Model. It's an extreme side L-part wig in the color OP 1B30. I forgot what OP stands for. Ombre Piano. Ombre Piano, that's what OP stands for. Okay. So this is how she looks. It's called Rex. I've had this quite a while. It's yucky textured. It looks like real hair. It's synthetic, but it looks like real black girl hair. Okay. It has a right side part, which I prefer a left side, but this is okay. There was no lace to cut. It was only this lace in this parting area. It has a comb on each side of the part, as well as a comb in the back, along with 2 adjustable straps. I don't know if you all knew it or not, but you can adjust these straps. You can crisscross them. If the wigs are too big for you all, I never had a problem. But sometimes people have smaller heads. You can actually bring this strap to this side. I'm unhooking this other one. And then bring this strap front to the other side and crisscross it. And that will take up some of the slack in the wig. I'm trying to hook this under here. Like that. Almost like one of them bands you would sew in. So you got your own band. So I'm going to fix it back for my head. I don't need all this, because I got a big head. So this wig is big head friendly or little head friendly if you adjust the straps. Okay, get in there now. Try not to mess up my nails. I just did my nails. I cut my nails off again. I have to cut them off every few weeks because they get too long and they start getting brittle and they break, and I have to start over from scratch. So that's what's going on with my nails right now. Started over. They grow pretty fast. Okay, so let me measure this. Did I tell you? That's all I can tell you about this wig. Let me take measure. I'm going to measure from the last weft so I can give you the hanging length of the wig. The very last weft back here. I would say 14 inches. Between 13 and 14 inches. And it may hang longer or shorter on different people, depending on the size of the head, the length of the neck, different factors, you know. So that's how it looks on her. Okay. In one picture, she has the swoop bang brushed back off her forehead, and right here she got it swooping. So we're gonna see how I'm gonna wear it. But y'all know I don't like nothing hanging in my face. So first I'm gonna put my wig grip on. I don't wear a wig cap, I never have, but I do wear a wig grip. I used to use a bobby pin to pin all my wigs. But now since I discovered the wig grip, the wig ain't going nowhere. And my hair is combed back, and I have a tucked under braid. I have it braided into one braid, and it's tucked under. And I got this wig grip on top of that tucked under braid. Sometimes that braid be slipping. So this is the lace wig grip. Now put the lace on the right side, and it's the side the part is on. Let me brush it before I put it on. Nice natural sheen to it. The coloring, subtle coloring of the 1B30. Okay, I don't attach the combs at the top. I'm just going to attach this back comb up under this wig grip and tucked under braid. Nice lightweight hair. Cute, cute, cute. Look at it. It's natural. It's natural looking. Nice body to it. What do you say about this wig? Extreme L part. So this part goes from here to here. So I'm gonna put some powder right here. Just any powder you use on your face, you can put on the wig. Use a little bitty brush. And I'm going to extend the part to my hairline. So like I said, I didn't have to cut any lace at all. The wig came ready to wear. Let me brush this back. And push it. Cute, 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 cute. It looks like it's cut in layers. Look at that. Face framing layers. Cute. Nice length. So, this is how she looks in the front. I'm going to hold this card now for my thumbnail. Okay. Right side. Hair is nice and full. You better look at the part. Back. See how full it is. And the left side. Where the swoop bang is. It's lightweight, it's yucky textured, like it's been freshly blow dried, flat ironed or something. Very nice. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.